Simple outdoor fireplace designs for any budget. Outdoor living is preferred by many families today. This is evident in the home extensions created by homeowners who believe that outdoor space is as vital as their indoor living area. A common fixture in most outdoor space is the fireplace. A home with a nice backyard and situated in a picturesque environment, for instance, can very well accommodate an outdoor fireplace. This can be installed in a garden patio or deck, which is a popular choice for homeowners who love outdoor living. Outdoor fireplace designs come in a wide range of styles these days. It's just a matter of choosing the size and the right materials that suit the preferred overall theme of the outdoor space and that's fit for the homeowner's budget. In terms of materials to use, an important consideration is location. Homeowners need to decide first and foremost whether their fireplace will be situated in an open area and exposed to all types of weather or will be situated in a covered space such as a terrace just adjacent to the main house. A stone outdoor fireplace encourages a warm and cozy ambience to any home. Being a structure that exudes strength owing to the material used, it is also a safe option. Stones are fire and weather resistant and families can therefore feel safe when building their fire here. Maintenance is not much of a problem as well for this type of outdoor fireplace design. The Mexican-style chimenea with its simple fireplace design is also ideal for outdoor use. This is another permanent structure similar to the stone fireplace but can be made from various materials such as clay, cast iron, and aluminum. A major advantage of this is its ease in creating fire and providing heat. A simpler and more flexible outdoor fireplace design is the fire pit. This type is very ideal for small spaces and for homeowners who do not want to have a permanent fireplace outside their homes. Common materials used for this are stones, bricks, and metal. And other than the warmth it provides to families, an open fire pit can also be used for cooking barbecues during special gatherings. If you wish to use the metal fireplace type, it's highly recommended that you place it under a covered area. Metals are prone to corrosion when exposed to varying weather conditions in an open space, so keep this in mind. When planning your outdoor fireplace design, homeowners also need to weigh the pros and cons of the different types of fuel available. Many love to use wood due to the crackling sounds it makes when it's burning, thereby achieving a cozy and intimate ambience. The downside is that it leaves ashes and requires cleaning after every use. For the environment-conscious people, a gas outdoor fireplace is suitable as it does not require much maintenance. And with no logs to chop, it is very easy to use. Planning is vital when deciding on an outdoor fireplace design fit for your home. When you are able to consider the factors outlined, then you're on your way to achieving your desired style.